All right, so soreness is probably arisen so far. It's in week 3, and you've been working out for 2 weeks now. The most common complaints I get are soreness in the quads, soreness in the lower back, and the IT band in the lower back. So I'm gonna show you how to use this awesome thing called the foam roller, and it's actually called soft myofascial release. And that's the layer of tendon and muscle that surrounds the muscle that basically is creating the tightness and the soreness by lactic acid deposits. So let's start with the quad. You can use a mat, or if you're tough like me, just do it on the ground. But what you want to do is start right there at your hip line. You're going to roll with your toes pointed out until you feel tightness. And then when you feel that sore spot, you're not going to keep rolling. You're going to stay right there and let it dissipate for 20 seconds. You don't want to go like this because that's going to tighten the muscle spindles up more. Instead, you want it just to press against the sore area for 20 seconds. And at first it will feel like torture, but at about 15, 16, 17 seconds, it'll start to dissipate and you'll feel relief. Then find the next part. But Coach Tom, I don't feel anything. Well, you're not that sore then. Just kidding. It's because you're gonna need to do one leg at a time. In that case, start with your left leg, cross your right leg over. Oh, I feel that now actually. So if you're not as sore, if your muscles are a bit more resilient, you're gonna do one leg at a time and then roll to that place and let it dissipate the knot. And then you'll do the other side. But you find it, oh, there it is, and then let the foam roller do its work. But again, it's not a rolling, you just roll to find the area and then let the foam pressure release the lactic acid and the muscle spindle tightness. All right, your IT band runs from here all the way down, and that's another common reason for soreness. Okay, now you're gonna do a side plank. You can only do one at a time. Again, start at your hip line. You're gonna go right there. Ah, you'll feel it. Again, just let it press against the soreness for 20 seconds. Make sure you're breathing out through your mouth and through your nose because you need oxygen to get rid of the lactic acid. Ah, it feels better. Find the next spot. Ooh, there's another spot. Let it press. Ah, yeah, that helps. So you're gonna obviously do both sides. Lower back is another one. Now, you wanna start kind of on your booty, roll out, and then you wanna twist slightly to the left or slightly to the right, not directly on the spinal cord. And then again, you're gonna roll till you find it. The straighter you keep your legs, the more tension you'll have, but you wanna just let it push against that part in the lower lumbar that hurts. And you can actually go all the way, boom. And when you get higher up, you can do it on your whole back, and you find the spot and let it push against it. Bonus section, say your calves, also known as your gastrocnemius or your Achilles tendon are tight. You're gonna do that same thing. Sit on your hiney, get to the part, but now you have to kind of lift up. So you gotta kind of lift right there, and then find the spot and let it push. Do both sides. Remember, you're gonna always hold it for 20 seconds after you get to the spot. Ah, and then the next spot. So the foam rolling, AKA soft myofascial release, is gonna help you before your workouts and after. It's actually a warm-up. Now, if soreness is really happening a lot, there's a really easy remedy. It's the branched chain amino acids. The intra is gonna help you a lot with soreness because it's gonna deliver branched chain amino acids, the essential and non-essential ones, to your muscles while you're working out. And this is gonna make it so the muscles get the fuel they need. They don't have the lactic acid buildup, and you'll have way less soreness. So go down to the supplement section, learn more about intra. I suggest everybody that has a fat loss goal does the intra and the burn AM because that's gonna help you make progress faster. But intra is gonna help with soreness a lot. So I'm Coach Tom. I hope you're less sore, and if you're not now, you will be soon. See you in the next video.